हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आप सभी का हमारे चैनल लॉजिक लर्न में स्वागत है। स्टूडेंट्स, हमने अपनी पिछली वीडियोस के अंदर साइंस, इंग्लिश, हिंदी और हिस्ट्री, सिविक्स, ज्योग्राफी और इकोनॉमिक्स के चैप्टर फर्स्ट की वीडियोस डाल दी है। अब हम सेकंड चैप्टर की वीडियोस डाल रहे हैं। इस वीडियो के अंदर हम आज देखेंगे ज्योग्राफी का चैप्टर सेकेंड, फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ। चलिए स्टूडेंट्स स्टार्ट करते हैं। इस वीडियो को पूरा समझने के लिए स्टूडेंट्स एंड तक ज़रूर देखना। बहुत ही ईजी चैप्टर है ये, और अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो हमारी वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी ज़रूर करें। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। चैप्टर 2, फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ रिसोर्सेज। बायोडाइवर्सिटी। वाइड रेंज ऑफ स्पीशीज इज कॉल्ड बायोडाइवर्सिटी। 8% of total number of species in the world are in India. Over 81,000 species of fauna and 41,000 of flora are found in this country. Fauna, kingdom of animals. Flora is called kingdom of plants. The forest area of our country is 79.42 million hectare, which is 24.16% of total geographical area. The area of dense forest in India is 12.2%, open forest covers 9.14%, and mangrove is 0.14%. Classification of species. First, based on the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources IUCN, species can be classified into the following categories. First, normal species. Second, endangered species. Third, vulnerable species. Fourth, rare species. Fifth, endemic species. Sixth, extinct species. First, normal species. Number of these species are normal. For example, cattle, sal, pine, rodents, etc. Second, endangered species. These are the species which are in danger of extinction. The survival of such species is difficult. Example, black buck, crocodile, Indian wild ass, Indian rhino, lion-tailed macaw, sangai, etc. Third, vulnerable species. Population of this species has declined to levels from where it is likely to move into endangered category in near future. For example, blue sheep, Asiatic elephant, Gangetic dolphin, etc. Fourth, rare species. Those species have small population and they moved into endangered or vulnerable category. For example, Himalayan brown bear, wild Asiatic buffalo, desert fox and hornbill. Sixth, endemic species. These species are found in some particular areas, usually isolated by natural and geographical barriers. For example, Andaman teal, Nicobari pigeon, Andaman wild pig, Mithun in Arunachal Pradesh. Sixth, extinct species. Species which are not found after searches. For example, Asiatic cheetah, pink-head duck. Factors leading to the decline of India's biodiversity. First, colonialization by the Britishers, various multipurpose river valley projects, mining activities, grazing and fuel wood collection, urbanization and industrialization, hunting activities, forest fires, and environmental pollution. Effects of depletion. First, women and children are affected badly as they have to travel long distances for the collection of firewood, water, and food. Second, depletion of forest leads to less rainfall, which results the situation of drought and that affects the poor section of the society. Conservation of forest and wildlife in India. First, afforestation. Second, enactment of laws for the protection of forest life. Example, Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Third, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries are made. Fourth, conducting forest festivals, that is Van Mahotsav. Sixth, control upon mining activities. Sixth, control upon hunting activities. Seventh, control upon overgrazing. Next topic, types and distribution of wildlife and the forest resources. First, reserved forest. More than half of the total forest land has been declared reserved forest. Second, protected forest. Protected by the forest department, that is, 1/3 of the total forest area. Third, unclassed forest. These are other forest and waste land belonging to both government and private individuals and communities. Next topic, community and conservation. In Sariska Tiger Reserve, Rajasthan, villagers have fought against mining by citing the Wildlife Protection Act. Second point, the inhabitants of 5 people in the Alwar district of Rajasthan have declared 1,200 hectares of forest as Bhairodev Dakau Sanctuary, declaring their own set of rules and regulations which do not allow hunting and are protecting the wildlife against any outside encroachments. Sacred groves, the forest of god and goddesses, the Mundas and Santal of Chota Nagpur. Region, the Mundas and Santal of Chota Nagpur region worship Mahua and Kadamba trees, and the tribals of Odisha and Bihar worship the tamarind and mango trees. Fifth, Chipko movement led by Sundarlal Bahuguna. Sixth, Beej Bachao Andolan in Tehri and Navdanya have shown that adequate levels of diversified crops production without the use of synthetic chemicals are possible. Seventh, Joint Forest Management JFM program furnishes a good example for involving local communities in the management and restoration of degraded forests. The state of Odisha passed the first resolution for joint forest management. स्टूडेंट्स, चैप्टर बहुत ही ईजी है. मैं सभी नोट्स वापस से लगा लेता हूँ जिनसे आप इन सभी का स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेना फटाफट वीडियो को पॉज करके.